Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Jamaica's under-17 Reggae Girls went down to their second loss of the two-match series against their Costa Rican counterparts after a 3-1 defeat at Winchester Park, St. George's College today. The under-17 Reggae Girls were once again defeated by Costa Rica in Sunday's second game following their 3-0 defeat on Friday. Jamaica were outplayed in the first half but managed to secure a goal in the dying moments of the game. However, this was too late after the Costa Ricans had sealed the 3 goals in the first 45 minutes. The Costa Ricans took the lead in the 26th minute with a strike from Andrea Capmany. Then Pamela Gutierrez extended the lead in the 36th minute and returned for her second goal 5 minutes later to give Costa Rica a 3-0 lead at half-time. But the Caribbean champions went down fighting and Davia Richards closed the deficit, scoring in the 87th minute.
A little bit disappointed with the result. Happy with the way of some things that some of the girls played. The result would have been better, and I think the first game we were unlucky not to score, and the 3-0 make it seem as if we were so outplayed, but it wasn't so. And even today again, first half I didn't think we were good enough. I think we were poor in the first half. Second half we were a lot stronger. And hence we scored a goal. There were some mistakes that we made in the first half. We weren't aggressive enough.
Well, I think that it was a very good match. The first half it was a little bit easy for us because we have more the ball and we have more options of goals. And the second match, I think that we lost the ball, and in one play, we have a mistake and it cost a goal.
The Jamaicans will head to Haiti in 2 weeks for the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers.